Welcome to a special episode of Fab Race Mod Repeat. That little sign right there says it all. Made in the USA. And what's in this box is also pretty cool. So give me just a second, we'll get it opened up. So what piece of good old USA made American awesomeness was inside that Billet Specialties box I opened with? Well, if you guessed it was a rim, you guessed right. And it is none other than Billet Specialties Comp 5 lightweight drag racing rim. The Billet Specialties is not sponsoring this ad, by the way. And this particular wheel belongs to fellow drag racer and YouTuber Scott Barnett. And when he ordered these up the other day, I asked him if he would mind if I opened them up and shot a little video on them. And he was kind enough to let us do that, so a thank you out to Scott. And if y'all wanted to check out his YouTube, it's Scott Barnett on YouTube. And he shoots drag racing videos, and gets some pretty good angles and some really good footage. So check him out if you get a chance. But these are going on his Corvette drag car. And these bolts that you see in here, those are really holding the center section in. The craftsmanship and finish on this rim is just impeccable. I'm not going to make this a real long video, but I just wanted to share this wheel with everybody because these things are just beautiful. The center section and bolts probably weighs as much as the whole rest of the rim does. And they're actually cut and notched like a socket in here to hold the nuts, and then the bolts are put in from the front. And it's just a good looking, well made piece of rim here. I left the plastic on it so it won't get scratched. I'll let him take that off. So that's making it look a little funny on the front. But I took some still shots. I'll include them at the end and get some close-ups of the details and down in here in the spokes and all. These wheels are just full of all kind of little detail surprises. Just a very nice, well-made rim. So here's the still shots. Here's a good shot of the swagged in nuts in the back of the center section. And then coming up next is a nice little detail shot of one of the spokes with the Billet Specialty logo in it. I'm surprised at how well this shows up with the machine marks. And then the next shot, you can see the reflection on the bolts. The mirror polish on this aluminum is just amazing. So before Scott moved forward, we went ahead and test fitted them to the car, and everything worked out fine. So now he's just got to put tires on them and get them on the car. And here's the fronts already mounted up. He had already got those, and they look pretty nice on there. They go surprisingly well with the chrome ones on the back, or polished aluminum, I should say. But I think it's going to be a very good looking package when he's done and all ready to go to the track. So, just wanted to share it. If y'all like it, please comment, subscribe, like below. And don't forget to check out Scott Barnett on YouTube. And I'll try to include him in the link. I haven't added a link yet, but I'm going to try to do that. And I'm to say try, I'm sure I'll get it done. I just got to figure out how to do it. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.